On June 30th, 2023, Atlanta police responded to Hartsfield-Jackson Airport after a passenger destroyed Delta Airlines gate equipment and resisted arrest. This analysis covers probable cause 3 criminal statutes and the 4 standard applied during the arrest.
So, I'm not even supposed to be in Atlanta, right?
Okay.
I get on I land here. I missed my flight all because they didn't have a ramp to take me off of the flight. So now I missed my flight. I get my flight rebooked. Mind you, I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. So he's telling me I'm on standby. I got the fuck mad.
So you destroyed their property?
I destroyed their property. What property did I destroy? I threw a chair that destroyed property?
They said you broke a computer or something?
I broke a computer. Go check and see what computer's broken. Go see if you see a crack on the screen or something.
That's what people telling me.
Okay, they can tell you whatever they want, but I threw one chair and I walked away. Because I started fucking crying. Because I'm mad and I have the right to fucking be mad. I was supposed to be home 4 days ago. I did not break anything. I threw a chair.
You got your ID on you, man?
The fuck, bro? Like...
Hey, anything damaged? Anything broken down there?
I'll take y'all to the show. Okay.
Can you go in there to see anything broken?
Since I fucking broke something, please tell me what the fuck I broke. Here you go.
I'm Officer Boyd, okay? Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro. I really know. Like, I don't even give a fuck. I don't care. I don't give a fuck, yo.
Radio 1702. I got the O.C.G.A.
I'm still gonna fucking sue Delta. The fuck, I was supposed to be home. Now I'm fucking mad and taking my anger out. I destroyed property. Get the fuck out of here, yo. I'm not even supposed to fucking be in the state, first of all. I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. But these airlines keep canceling, delaying my flight, and I'm not supposed to be upset about that? Oh, now because I'm upset, whatever, yo. I don't give a fuck. I really don't care. Like, this is funny as fuck. Before you pick up my bag, you're gonna rebook me a flight so I can go home. How about that? How about you sit down and settle that before you go get my luggage? Can you do that for me? Can you put me on another flight with another fucking whatever? I don't care. If it's the same airline, I don't give a fuck because I'm still gonna sue their ass. But it's just a simple fact, like, are you gonna put me on a flight so I can finally get home? I've been trying to get home for 3 days. I was just in a whole other state yesterday, now I'm in a whole other state. I'm not supposed to be here. So what are you gonna do? That's the question. That's what I'm trying to get you to answer. What are you doing right now?
95 BMI.
Excuse me, sir, what's going on here?
Right now, I'm trying to see if they say it was damages. So I'm trying to see if it was
What
damages.
the fuck did I damage?
They say you broke the computer.
I broke the computer?
That's what,
because there's
I
no
didn't see anything yet.
If you want to
That's
go
what they
walk
told
over there,
me.
there ain't no computer on the floor. Really, I should
That's what
smack
they
the
told
shit out of who fucking lied to you and said I broke something. It was you?
Don't do
The
that.
fuck? Yeah.
I know
I'm
you
more
mad.
than frustrated.
know
Sir,
you
I was
mad,
supposed to
but-
be home 3 days
Don't take it
ago.
out of the room.
You want to know something? Delta is the reason why I'm still here. And then for them to say I'm put on standby and I can't go home, like, that's crazy. I would have never missed my flight had y'all had the stupid ramp shit together. How the fuck y'all don't have a ramp for people to get off the flight and then have us wait in 30 minutes? I know it's not your problem. You can give fuck less because you're not going through what the fuck I'm going through. Let me get the fuck out of here.
We're going to call corporate security.
She broke a
She
mouse,
broke the mouse and all of
tried
that.
to take the keyboard
Yeah.
and break it too. So that's
So
federal
we need our
property.
ID, we need to see everything. But we need to call corporate security.
Call them.
Yeah, I'm going to call corporate security.
So you see I'm not lying right off. Okay. But I know you know.
Because I called the tower. Yeah.
You need to be arrested.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's unacceptable in front of passengers. People got babies down there.
Yeah.
So she broke the
Yes, that's
at
no,
D8.
at
Yes.
D8. She was at
Yes.
D6 and
She ripped out
28.
the mouse out of the computer at D8.
Oh, the wheelchair.
And the whole
So we need
keyboard,
our
she flung it.
ID.
Probable cause. The subject admitted on camera she threw a chair. 3 Delta staff witnesses then confirmed she ripped a mouse from the terminal and flung a keyboard at gate D8. Under Illinois v. Gates from 1983, that combination satisfies the totality of circumstances standard without a formal confession. Criminal mischief. Georgia Code Section 16722 criminalizes intentional property damage without consent. Below $500, the offense is a misdemeanor. Above that threshold, it becomes a felony carrying up to 5 years. airport-grade terminals routinely exceed that valuation, placing the subject in felony exposure from the outset. The subject's frustration with Delta's ramp failure carries no weight in criminal court. Georgia does not recognize emotional distress from a business dispute as a defense to criminal mischief. A civil claim against Delta exists on a separate legal track and does not reduce the criminal liability for the destruction. Disorderly conduct. Georgia Code Section 161139 prohibits violent or tumultuous behavior in a public place, placing others in reasonable fear, and it does not require physical contact. Conduct spanning gates, D, 6D, 7, and D8 across separate locations reflects deliberate escalation, not a single impulsive act. Arrest authority. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista from 2001 permits custodial arrest upon probable cause for misdemeanor and felony offenses. By this point in the encounter, the officers had a partial admission, 3 corroborating witnesses, and confirmed physical evidence at gate D8. The legal basis for the arrest was firmly established.
So that corporate security.
Is anybody possible? Because I don't want to leave it by myself. Is anybody possible to take photographs of the damages?
No.
I need her boarding pass. We need her boarding pass.
That's what they
Sorry.
Oh, that's y'all. That's the whole thing. Like improve. Yeah, the miles and everything. You
We need her boarding pass and her ID because I need to see what confirmation of.
Because she can, we're here in the middle of the conference.
That's all she did was take the rip the mouse off the thing. She said she did a chair, but yeah.
And them 2 doors on these.
What happened at D6?
Excuse me. What did you say about the D6 doors?
I saw her down in the door.
Okay.
And from what the ladies over there said, that she was slamming the wheelchair against it too. But I didn't physically see that. But I was just coming out that.
So this happened at D8. She banging on the door at D6.
D7 and D6. Because the flight was leaving at D6. Because she started D6 and then she was leaving down the concourse.
All right.
You called 911?
Ready to go. The mouse, keyboard, and all that.
No, the agent called 911.
Hey, I'm
You always come.
I know.
She always come with the drama.
I swear every time I'm here, it's going down. Like I ain't like,
Could you repeat that traffic, please?
I was like,
That's the only thing that's gonna fucking help with it. People don't give a fuck, so you still wanna talk to them? Alright, go ahead. Here.
Who this? This your dad?
Just listen to what he has to say, please.
Hello. What's going on, man? Alright. Everybody good? Alright, miss. Stand up.
I'm getting arrested?
Yeah, you get arrested.
Nah, I'm not getting arrested.
Yeah,
That's some bullshit. No, I'm not.
stand up.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting arrested. What the fuck? Shit crazy.
I know. You stand up.
No, don't touch me. Get off of me. I'm not playing. Get off of me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get off of me.
You going to
I don't
jail.
care.
That's what it is.
No, I'm not. Get off. Get the fuck off of me, yo.
Sis, I'm not trying.
Get the fuck off of me. I'm not playing, bro. Bro, get off of me, bro.
Sis,
Get off of me.
don't get no more charges.
Bro, get off of me.
Sis, don't get no more charges. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Get off of me.
I'm not trying to hurt
See
you.
that? You see this, babe? I hope you see this, babe.
I don't say it, but you know it. I don't want to hurt you. Sis, I don't want to hurt you.
Really? Alright. I'm gonna sue the shit out of y'all.
Do what you gotta do.
It's all good.
You just want more charges. You don't care about that.
It's all good.
Use of force. Graham versus Connor from 1989 requires that force be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision and not in hindsight. Hands-on control of a physically resisting and unarmed subject in a crowded public terminal is objectively reasonable under that standard. Obstruction. Georgia Code. Section 1610-24 requires knowing and willful hindrance of an officer in the lawful discharge of duties. The subject refused commands, physically pulled away during the arrest, and verbally acknowledged it was occurring while refusing to comply. Every element is satisfied on camera without ambiguity. Fighting words. The subject told an officer, "I am going to beat the hell out of you," during an active arrest. Under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire from 1942, words that tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace fall entirely outside First Amendment protection and constitute additional criminal exposure on a documented record. Grades. The primary officer receives a B+. The arrest was grounded in confirmed probable cause and force was proportionate to the resistance. The concern is a 6-minute delay before the arrest decision, which allowed the subject to generate additional criminal exposure on camera. Asserting her detained status earlier would have shortened that window. The female officer receives an A-. Maintaining a calm tone under verbal threats, refusing to match the subject's aggression, and warning continuously about additional charges directly prevented escalation to a higher force level. It is the strongest professional performance in this footage. The subject receives a D. She entered this encounter with a legitimate grievance and a viable civil claim against Delta Airlines, and she converted both into compounding criminal liability across 3 statutes through choices that were voluntary, fully documented, and entirely avoidable. Delta Airlines receives a C+. The ramp failure and standby placement represent genuine service failures under Department of Transportation passenger rights guidelines, but delayed escalation to law enforcement allowed the incident to span 3 gate areas before officers arrived. Lessons learned. Property destruction creates a criminal case regardless of Delta's own liability, so civil grievances must be resolved through civil remedies. A voluntary on-camera statement before arrest is fully admissible and constitutes complete probable cause. Physical resistance adds charges and removes nothing. The venue to contest an arrest is a courtroom with counsel. Let us know if there is an interaction or a legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.